We build lines for tissue converting to create products that can really satisfy those who will use them. Over the last year, we have also devoted time to the line that connects our whole communication. My name is Nicola Romagnani, and I am the marketing manager at Gambini. Our engineers deal with technological components. At the marketing department, we take care of different parts. These parts deal with each other, as it happens with our lines, to convey a clear image that reflects us, while explaining what we do and what our approach to the industry is. The functional assembly of communication pieces today features the launch of our new website, Gambini.group. Our new website has been completely restyled in graphics and in its structure, and it consists of three main sections. A section dedicated to the Tissue Hub, where you can find information about our research work and our focus on the finished product. A section about our technologies, where our lines, individual components and integrations are clearly displayed. And a journal, where we publish news and insights on everything that revolves around Gambini. You are also part of this concept, because you trust us, you use our products, and you follow our innovations. We have designed this website exactly for your enjoyment. It is clear, dynamic, and easy to use. See you on Gambini.group.